Rattlesnake Lake and Ledge Trail, Cedar River Watershed Education Center, Iron Horse State Park, John Wayne Pioneer Trail, Cedar Falls Trailhead. Iron Horse State Park, 4.5 miles, Twin Falls. We're going to the Snoqualmie Tunnel, 18 miles, and other side. Tunnel is 2.3 miles, so it puts it, looks like at 21. The trailhead on the other side of the tunnel. So we're headed. Hello. Hey guys.
That's scared that they never done that. This is probably going to be a terrain stop. Look at the geography. Well, more a rolling look at it. I'll tell you Sunday, so don't have to worry about heavy trail use. Garcia Road. Okay, this is like a terrain video. We have to go, it looks like between the two mountains right over there.
Not that one, but that one over there. The second gap on the right. So I don't see a railroad track. Oh, maybe I do. Oh, there is a railroad track over there. Yeah, maybe it does keep on going through the pass over there. Okay, so we're at the halfway point, taking a break. It says we are here. And we started there. And we're going to here. Tunnel. It's another 9 miles. So we had 9 miles up so far, and 9 miles to go. Take a fluid break. Okay, Bandera. Gonna have to look on a map to see where that's at. It's not quite 3/4 mark. Past halfway. So we're at 3/4 mark. Gonna take a break, stretch the legs, get off the seat, drink some fluids. But there's no real landmark at 3/4 mark. So that Bald Mountain makes a good landmark. Looks like there's a building on the top of that mountain. That thing probably takes lightning strikes. It's probably a Forest Service building. Gotta walk a little bit. All right, let's get going. Well, there's the avalanche snow shed, which is a pretty cool landmark. We'll go through it. for avalanches in the wintertime. It probably still works. And no one usually goes through here. Snowmobiles probably go through here, but the tunnel's closed. Annette Lake. McCullen. Was it Butte? Okay, so the power line track on the left over there, just to the left of this pole, is our destination. At the base of that, that's where the tunnel is going to be at. There's a couple of sets going up the mountain right there, but we want the one, we're looking at the one on the left. That's at the base of that power line run is the tunnel. The power line run that's just to the left of this power pole in front of us here. Ah, cell phone reception. So going through the tunnel is kind of an event. People dress up. I dressed up my bike a little bit. Hello.
Miles today.
Yeah. So there's the power line, and there's the tunnel. So we'll take a little break here, and we'll head through. So I dressed up my bike. I have strobes on my bike, but this shirt's gone. That shirt's not going to be there. I'm going to wear that through the tunnel. It's kind of cold. So what do you think? Isn't that cool? That's a playing card. Oh, water. Well, I think this is pretty cool. Uh-oh, my card seems like it's failing. I gotta be careful because that's the metal C-clamp. Hopefully it's not shifting. That's it. Woo! Oh, I'm gonna go right back through that. No, it looks good. Going back through. Except we have a headwind this way, so the audible is going to be messed up. So this is how the strobes work. Turn off all the other lights. Pretty awesome. They're not sequenced together. They're sequenced individually. So the timing is going to vary slightly between the two of them. Wow. There's enough light I can see my bike. Amazing. So them are the strobes. Pretty awesome. Let's get the light bar back on. I think that looks pretty cool.